Welcome to Skrill eShop WordPress plugin version 3 demo in action. Skrill eShop, it's none other than Moneypickers merchant gateway for eShop. Yeah, what's new in this plugin? I have added 2 new features. What are those? Those are payment success, URL entry field, why I have added this plugin? Do you know that? If any customer have purchased any product in your eShop store, then where should he or she go? Where should she or he should go? Where? You have to give a payment success page, right? So I have given this payment success URL entry field. In admin panel, user can give these details, payment success details, URL entry. And the second one will be order cancellation. If any person like a girl or boy suddenly or mistakenly went to checkout page without selecting correct product instead of correct product and just click on wrong product, then they can cancel this payment. Okay. And another important feature, this plugin uses advanced payment gateway integration system. Of course, it's IPN system. It uses advanced payment gateway and IPN system. Okay, why I'm stressing on payment gateway is advanced? Because in basic version we won't be having the payment success or order cancellation URL fields or payment processing fields or anything. Okay, just we'll be having only the payment is done. After that we'll be getting to some else place. Okay, so that's why I have introduced this advanced payment system. Okay, now what we have to do. By the way, I forgot to tell you, I got 400 downloads yesterday for this plugin, which is available for free in WordPress repository. First version and second version. First version, second version, both are for free. You can download for free. Or if you want more support from me, then you can purchase first version, first and second versions for just $12.5, right? Just for $12.5 each for each plugin version. Okay, and if you feel like what are the packages will be having? The packages will be having original source code of this plugin, original source code, and the second one will be the plugin installation manual, plugin troubleshooting manual, and of course the fourth one will be video illustration, like as for this plugin. Okay, and common. These 4 will be common. Of course, sometimes you will be not having video illustration or troubleshooting, because the first version, if you purchase the first version, then there is no need of again having this same source, same installation, troubleshooting, video illustration. Of course, you can see. Yeah. Now let us see, like if you like my plugin, first version and second version, then you can make donations, a small donation like 5 to 10 bucks, just 5 to 10 bucks. If you like my plugin and make some donations, then you can get discount on this new plugin. This plugin actual cost of version 0.0.3 plugin is $15. If you make some donations for my previous plugins like version 1, version 2, then you will be getting 5 to 10% discount on this new plugin, new version. Okay, you remember 5 to 10%. 5 to 10%. I'm ready to give you 5 to 10% discount if you make some donation for my previous plugins, right? Now let us go to this plugin demo in action. Okay, yeah, this is the path. See, XAMPP, I'm using XAMPP, HTDocs, Quilly Shop is a website, and a WordPress website wp-content and the plugins. Now I have to paste this one. This is the third version. Okay, I'll be copying this one and pasting here. Remember that you should have eShop plugin, a must. Without eShop you can't run Moneybookers merchant gateway for eShop or Quilly Shop WordPress plugin or any plugin. Okay, as this plugin will be dependent on this plugin. Okay, now let us go to localhost. Yeah, as I'm using localhost, I'm using a testing mode. You can use it directly in live mode, or you use it in test mode and then implement it in live mode. It's your choice, but I'm showing you in test mode. Okay, for the test mode we have to log into the admin panel, and then we have to see the action. Okay, now username will be admin, password. Okay, now we'll be going to settings, eShop, and then going to merchant gateways, and then here you can see, yeah, here are the fields. My merchant account email address, Moneybookers card description, this store card description. Okay, and a confirmation note to the customer, to my customer. Okay, and my merchant email will be the same. I can use any email. Okay, you can use any email, but the Moneybookers email should exist. If you are having a Moneybookers account, then your email should be pasted in this first field. And this payment status receivable email can be anything. Your personal email, your company email, your spouse email, anything. Okay, now here you can see I have told you about these two things, these two features. Provide payment success page. If you have got succeeded, then you will be getting this one. If you want to cancel, you can use this URL. This is a cancel and this is a thank you page. Okay, now let us go to action. Yeah, this is the product. Of course, I haven't added any image. Okay, let me click on the yeah, no image, only a description, and I will give him a rating. Okay, I will be clicking on add to cart, and again add to cart, and then proceed. I want only one product. Okay, now I am updating that one, and now I am clicking on proceed to checkout. Okay, all of you, I am using some cache in my browser, so that's why it is showing all the details prior to entering the details. Okay, it's my girlfriend's name, Bhagyasmi. She is very beautiful. Okay, now we'll be adding. I'm from India, so I haven't chosen this one. I just given my city name and my state name and my country. Okay, you can use any country. Okay, remember that if you are staying in US, okay, you are staying in US, but you are giving a country as some France or Greece or something, then Moneybookers will automatically change your country to US only in Moneybookers gateway, not here. Okay, and now we'll be going to proceed to confirmation, and here are the confirmation details, and proceed to check out. And remember that like PayPal, Moneybookers won't allow, like PayPal, Moneybookers won't allow the auto redirection method. Instead, we have to click on the button. And now you can see payment, gateway. Yeah, here are the details. Cost of the product, merchant email, and payment note, and product store name, sorry, and there's a country will be, if I am from India, so it will be India. If you are Hong Kong, Hungary, Iceland, US, Harlem, likewise. And of course here you can see only payment transfer will be, payment type will be only bank transfer. I haven't added many things for this one. Just in my upcoming versions I will be adding a bank transfer, JCB, Diners Club, like Visa, MasterCard, credit card, and more, online bank transfer, etc. Okay, and we have to select the date of birth. As eShop Store is not having this field in checkout form, we have to enter these fields. Okay, now we'll be clicking on review order and continue. Yeah, now you can see here we have to fill some. I am not having, my girlfriend is not having any email. I'm not having any email. Of course, I'm using this something email and password some X. Okay, let's fill with password. And once I confirm it, I will be going to my bank account and I have to pay some amount. And then we'll be getting the success URL page. If I want to cancel that one, then I will be clicking on cancel. Now you can see, oops, seems like you have cancelled the order. Please don't hesitate to check our products and make some purchase. That's it. This is the cancellation procedure. I have told you the success procedure. In words, you can use the success procedure. I am not having amount in Moneybookers, or my girlfriend is also not having. So I'm unable to show you that one. So you can test that one. You can test this one. It's 100% success. 100% success will be there. Okay. I have used my friend's email address for amount also. It got succeeded. That's it. Have a good time. You can make some small donations, 5 to 10 bucks. If you like my plugin, you can make some donation. If you want this plugin, you can purchase for $15 from my store. What is the store? The store is eShopPlugin.com. Okay, you can go to the store and purchase any version. Even if you want first one, second one, third one, and my upcoming versions, you wish, you can make some purchases and make me happy and make yourself happy by using this plugin for your eShop store. Have a good time. Thank you for watching my video and illustration. Bye. It's Rajkumar.